we did it.
And I'm grande. One and I show us if you don't mean one and I show us.
Missing Union and never information.
Hey, Captain.
Me to Yamaka, I'm a boy, Yamu, Kumi, me to Yami, boy, Yaku, Hatasum, Chamaka. Me to Yami.
What if Babro anybody so?
Me to Kababro, Yamu, Kuno, on in the wife,
Captain.
On in the wife, only you can, on the wife and the wooden cry. On in the wife, on in the wife, on in the wife.
Ghana for me.
On in the wife, and they blame information, or more blame information, they be no more blame information. On in the wife,
one sin and in conning in tinny PAP. I am me Dunyami, a same way, Ajagurajah Niano, a catcher, say, Minka. And conform we Captain Ceasar now before, and I mean who are mobile. This is a work of a traitor, and this guy can never and ever be trusted.
We did it. And I'm
grande. One and I show us if you don't mean one and I show us.
Missing Union and never information.
Hey, Captain.
Me to Yamaka, I'm a boy, Yamu, Kumi, me to Yami, boy, Yaku, Hatasum, Chamaka. Me to Yami.
What if Babro anybody so?
Me to Kababro, Yamu, Kuno, on in the wife,
Captain.
On in the wife, only you can, on the wife and the wooden cry. On in the wife, on in the wife, on in the wife.
Ghana for me.
On in the wife, and they blame information, or more blame information, they be no more blame information. On in the wife, Unia boy, no sort of cry penny and say, Baby, Unia boy, no, on what on the blame information, ya a friend saying, ya boachos and why, or the obey you can, or the obey you can. On the name, bring me to Yamaka, and my boy of Tramaka. No one numbers is self permit number. We don't yame. Make no prepare natural. Make no
children also be unfit. Captain won't children also be unfit.
Me say, me won't tell me make us say, Ajagurajah no. Or say, sir, Ajagurajah now did the games. You plan a mafia, Sir Charlie. Oh, sir, and your men Becca, sir. Also, go to the court. I say no kind. Me won't tell me that you, me woo, me friend, me nine woman here, and I'm catching Charlie, me nine who. Oh, mini, madam, so we don't say Ajagurajah, what did he? Ajagurajah, oh, and I'm named Becassa, oh, me, what did you metro? Okay, so what did you bet many minutes? Your bet mamma nine on any minutes or friend with Pima. One friend give maybe I say, I deal with you, also to me, or no, you're watching so to me, or the 2 minute about into one woman. In 9 years, maybe I had a brother, me say, I want you, baby. Captain, I want you, I want you, it will never say, Captain, listen, Captain.
What's the boy? I shall Captain Ceasar.
No, crap. Madame, there be our
not the Captain Ceasar be me. There be who me. I don't know what time is. Just
no, tell me, also to me, be also the
100 million.
And it's Nipa Bonnie.
Nipa Dima, Nipa Gas, sorry, 100 million of the amount. Nipa Ajagurajah movement.
Oh, Mr. Legacy, who have been Nuntia.
Legacy, who have been Nuntia.
Enocre.
That is a Captain Ceasar did do what them son was a man 100 million. Abra was sorry, but yes, a woman 100 million.
Enocre. When say no entia no more town, and no entia only
the
I'm sorry for the baby guys. Oh, you remember say the guy.
15
you have 15 gas on
the Ajagurajah movement, move me, enyemia, a boachi, kebuachi, on a nice shittery, on a nike can cancel, and I'm assuming them say, baby, a ninia did your record, and tronqua. Entron corner na she etro no obey you can say and o chance obey through you can man o chance e keke kan se obey through you can many first person o pem number first me to nyame me many first person me bie bia because papa onye papa ni me do nyame
my own brother
your own brother what you on the conference guy no more conference for one man watching on friend because I said Holland and chere me say ni na na no
to be one Luxembourg yes.
What you video? What video now? What
video? So me and my post too.
What can we post? No, let me know what video. No, me ye video ni post here. Friend me call Instagram. Me call nam video. Papa na post in here. Banza na ko kunya. So catch you say video. No na mo bi etwa.
Ah.
On sa no mo ka kire me.
Won se na ne kon ne ntini ye piepie. A oye me donyame asem wei e Ajagurajah niano ne ka kire me se minka enkofo mo ye Captain Ceasar nanfofo na me hu omomobo. This is a work of a traitor, and this guy can never and ever be trusted. Why am I saying this? Share. These are two brothers. And I share and now in Niano, descend now especially in Niano Mema. And Niano Bampon album so more kuntokwa. Ebia bako yet to say, Ebia. Na bakubeka say, Niana won no woye, and on your bema papa, and mema on town musao. Especially when they are brothers. Because me se me will nya bema. Me nya bema ni mu se me nya sika. Onu wa ye. Ena so onu nso nya sika. Me nso me hu se ma ye. Iti anse ni nuanu be ye mema ebeka so omokun. They are sharing their secret no. Na no kire se ida se dia wanya sika no. Ma dia oni sika na feel say he is just a common floor member. Ana say the only sika no edu baby a all envy the owo sika no iti Ajagurajah Bishop Esiama ni nua no na omunya mo no asore no wo study in the beginning na they bia no ni nua ne ndam reading the Bible, but it could come to the first edu baby no na ni nua no treat onu ni nua no ne nam panyin no because panyin no di nani monya mama ni nua no because Bishop Esiama na ye ketwa no ye panyin kan wo say na da essence no adom na besi ono so eno no kita nyam no, but in order for the ketwani be say no me na magye nyam na me na migita sika no ana me na marketa them battle no the mantle no e was say me ye mami nwa no on feel jealous of me e bi omo nam no the younger brother is not making the elder brother feel good and I won't treating ye me can say that is what he is doing, but ebia that is what was happening. And I kept on so bettina see I dream when we say nah Dabi me you take advantage of me. And no so I dream one when we say he has to make whatever it takes not training who feed ni. It is double factors. E bia penyin na mo no so edu baby a onyaya nka baby ni nua na du no ono so nyaya na ke ono na ho ana na nka ketwa ne na eye de ono no penyin no eya ma ketwa no eye brothers issue right now. But obi be bisa say Captain Ceasar eye wo say why ye nyansa diama but you are very stupid. Say me ka stupid na won ti ase a wa jimi e na wo ye jimi fo hwe enuanu na eku e na ba kwa be ka cho se ni se na me nuane yanti hitting hard adenti na oni ni nuane nya issue no oponko fam ni nya issue e obom dia no ni nuane wan bo no ni dia. Let me tell you something. Once a time now, Bishop Esiama wasem now who's exposing the secret, you know. Now catch us all the uboni ache, and you saw the uboni ache. Baby, now with the information in every banner. Information baby free no, a whole thing, a whole throw. Or call higher with you are. Ninyani be good na sorry no. Ninyani be good ni masi. What are you talking about? They were brothers. It is the night Bishop Esiama eye ewo kukuomu niano opa ompe ni nuani nim. It now ni nuano nim say ni nuani ye threat. It baby na o pick information no Bishop Esiama hu say Dabi akola baby o pick information free no anu odin e wo say me twentwa me break so na me nim say me ni nuani nkasa ne de anye me nuana na ye obi o hyemase e na eye saa na o Captain Ceasar o be kire no eye wo say eye odo kwan so na Bishop Esiama eboa wana one shut down oboa o he knew say e was so masika o ma osika na o de kawa no tum, and that is what he did because no nim say obi be ma na hweasia na ye nipa o woni ntumem did not say na wo di problem e bra no ka wo betum ebo dua se nye se na Ajagurajah ne wo tumi ana oni tumi o obetum abo se na ebo nipa dua normally no ama na nya ho bon se bebia wo di information ni free no anu e why true there was so ye careful no tie break. And now also yes so go wano kakra na ye de boa oniti no eye say it is time for you to expose the brother. Ah minia what dream will form, but Bishop Esiama or you smart wherever he is no what he did was the smart way ene ni nua no nipa se ne kan etie no because time na wo Captain Caesar wo jai kasa no ama ni nua no kasa na wo kasa tie ni nua Bishop Asiama no ankosuru biom obia mfi biom because wo na wo kasa na musum wo followers to people would have given ears na Bishop Asiama shut it down enye se wo de wo boni che wo dabi na you wa baby asi ni freni beto no bobo na nasi bi so na baby a wo nasi no na ho de nso no nim se wo ye ni freni you don't have anything betuma pon ato atwene whether say onim ye obi atumi bodua ko betuma ahye wade na baby a na wo nasi no na ho de ayi me kan what ase ti mema na nya wo se what a wo gina TikTok na wo gina wo ye ayi na ne meka eye ni nua no we gini papa I'm telling you the fact because me ka kire o in the next 5 years to come opa won pe o ebe ye won say Ajagurajah na Bishop Asiama betuma faka me se ka betuma fa plane na wakwa akudu UK na oni sani nua we tun se didi. Do you know what blood can do? And I also say ni nua ni ba bonte na oka ni nua na asem no enkofo anka nche ni nua nso ntwa so no mu ye nua no nua no asem na wo nya bra okwa akoka bi what say papa you will become a third person ti wo ye me wanwa ya wo ba no wo be nanti ni wona fofo mo ji wudi de omho ye me mobo because that was one of the shallow mind even say ni nua na ton na ma okra oni ni be free no you should have kept quiet. You should have come out because selling who right now nobody can ever trust you. Nobody will feel say we be ma o onu nyonku fo mema nanti a asem obani ehu a ye be ka ya no atum because awuze ni be ka say mata o yo ba na e ba no we oni gu pampers mu o ye be ma na no otro otuni keep secret. You are rather exposing yourself to the public. The make can what you say the way any dey menye say why e bibi because these are brothers. And let me tell you the funny thing about life. Okay? I watched a certain video about DJ Khaled's elder brother. DJ Khaled a bring sikasi in Niano, even though Niano is making money. But your video be on. I'll play this video in a few seconds for you to watch it. Let me know what I say. You see the DJ Khaled Niano.
Nigga, I know how to be number 2.
What?
And that's the problem. Niggas don't know how to play their position. If you a mechanic, you a mechanic. If you a barber, you a barber. Everybody want to be the chief. Nobody want to be the Indian. Nobody want to play lawyer.
Fact.
When I was coming up, my brother was the boss. I wasn't the boss. I was the second in command. So when my brother got out the car, I held the door for him. And when he walked out, I walked next to him like this. I knew how to be number 2.
But when did that shit
You're not
happen?
listening to me.
Yeah, listen.
It happened my whole life. So what I'm trying to tell you is
crazy.
we in the streets. I know how to be number 2.
From jump?
Nigga, I am rich. Okay? Hold on. Yo, both mics. I am rich.
Talk that talk, Joe.
I can't stop making money. I just make it. I'm gonna be honest with you. When I'm around my little brother Khaled, I am not richer than him. So I open the door.
There it is. There it is.
Oh! Nigga act funny with Khaled, they got a problem. A big fucking problem, bro. It's my assignment to hold that nigga down. And I'm nobody's son, nigga. But he come from us, and he the biggest, and he gonna always have that fucking force field around him.
There it is.
And so when you see Joe ain't even a rapper when you see him with DJ Khaled.
Whoa.
When you see DJ Khaled walk the red carpet, Joe like this.
I saw you at the Hollywood Star.
I'm telling you.
I saw you.
Wherever he go, I'm like this. What's up? Protect the God. Protect the God.
You heard what DJ Khaled Nyani kan. O say so 20 Nyani chen or yakola. Do you know why? DJ Khaled is not making the brother feel say we Jimmy for being humble to him. Ni nyana ja tumu se me pamimpo mi nya we DJ Khaled we nya sika e wo se me bre no asema no. Ena ketwa no so se me nya ne ye me nya panyi say wo se me man the respect and the necessary thing support I will need because me na me kite sika no. baby a Bishop Siama any ni nua panyin no it didn't go like that between them baako ani bre ana yida say baako so pese obu baako kwasea enuanom asem de yenka ni bebre o especially when they are males enti captain opa umpo sorry say maka ni brofo say won dwe ya you have been stupid out there and una ya use you manya wa bin say why expose Bishop Siama nua no dabi de ni nua ne ka no eye no krefo ni nua ne ho eye ni nua de o ka na eye ntro say pa hwe 80% of those things are truth enti wo mo na wo jimi ho ma we ni now na social media no we jimi a che we have been watching you all and we ni now na brochire no mama ye hu say nkwasiafo bi wo wanka won so mutena brochire na abrabo no so so de eti bia anye pentia what I say bye bye